Adnium Honest Review. Watch before using. In this video, we're diving deep into Adnium, a dynamic platform designed for digital marketers and affiliate marketers who are looking to streamline their ad campaigns and maximize their returns. Adnium is an all-in-one solution that offers a suite of features including advanced tracking, analytics, and campaign management tools that cater specifically to the needs of performance marketers. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, Adnium aims to simplify your advertising efforts by providing a user-friendly interface and powerful functionalities. One of the standout features of Adnium is its robust tracking capabilities. The platform allows users to monitor clicks, conversions, and other essential metrics in real time, enabling you to make data-driven decisions quickly. The advanced analytics tools provide insights into user behavior, allowing marketers to tailor their campaigns for optimal performance. Additionally, Adnium offers split testing functionality, which is crucial for anyone serious about maximizing their ROI. By testing different ad creatives and landing pages, you can identify what resonates best with your audience. Adnium is built for flexibility and scalability, making it suitable for businesses of all sizes. From solo entrepreneurs to large marketing teams, the platform adapts to your needs, allowing for easy integration with various traffic sources and ad networks. Furthermore, its automation features reduce manual work, letting you focus on strategy rather than logistics. With customizable dashboards, you can easily visualize your performance metrics and keep track of your campaigns at a glance. However, it's essential to note that while Adnium offers a wealth of features, it may have a learning curve for newcomers to digital marketing. The comprehensive set of tools can be overwhelming initially, but their detailed tutorials and customer support are excellent resources to help you get started. In conclusion, Adnium is a powerful tool for anyone serious about digital marketing. Its combination of tracking, analytics, and campaign management features make it an asset for those looking to enhance their advertising efforts. If you're ready to take your marketing campaigns to the next level, Adnium is definitely worth considering. Just remember, as with any marketing tool, success comes from understanding its features and leveraging them effectively. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more honest reviews on tools that can elevate your marketing game.